what's up? I'm back with another video today. So today's video is going to be about a mascara routine, well, my mascara routine that I have had for I don't even know how many years, ever since high school probably. So in this video I'm going to show you guys the products, eyeliner, and also my tools that I use to do my lashes and what I do to my tools to make them better. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know how you like it. And if you're new here, welcome, subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, guys, and enjoy. Alright, so to start off, to show you guys all the products that I use, original Blackest Black mascara. And when I go to use these, I have used this actually since high school. This has been my ride or die mascara since high school. Gotta give my girl Lexi Kern, hey girl, a shout out in this video because she was the one who actually got me onto this on my, what was it, 17th birthday? Somewhere around in there. I think it was my senior year, and we got real close, and she was actually my captain, one of my captains on the cheerleading squad. Anyways, flashback. So, again, I use the L'Oreal Voluminous Original Blackest Black Mascara. And I think this is around $7 or so at Walmart. I love it. It's the best. And it just gives your lashes the bam effect that you want. But it's not like the clumpy bam. It's just the right enough length. And it gives your lashes just that wispy, false tear look to them, if you will. And then also, but this has been my go-to like since 2 years before my senior year, so I guess like my sophomore year of high school, maybe even before that, has been the Rimmel London Jet Black Mascara. I think this has been the best eyeliner since, I don't even know when. I go to this immediately whenever I just need a good eyeliner to stay on my waterline, and I know it'll stay put for all day. Like, it's awesome. And it's honestly, it's a pencil eyeliner. It's not a twist, it's a pencil, and honestly I find those to be the best. So with the tools that I use is just basically a regular mascara curler, and when I go to do this, I typically heat this up, this little metal piece right here, when I do it. So I always have a little handy dandy lighter on standby, or like my hair dryer or something to warm it up. Okay, so for starters, I typically have 5 or 6 of these all the time. Like, this is probably the least amount of mascara tubes I've had of these. And so to begin with, I'm going to use my little curler tool here and my lighter. Excuse if the dogs bark, because they probably will. Alright, so I don't leave it on there for very long. And then I take my mirror here, just do this, so I look down at it at an angle, and I go up, and I go to the base of my lashes, and I kind of like bounce when I do this, and I'll let go. But you have these bouncy, really curly lashes now. The base of the eye, where the eyelash starts, and then very gently, you'll bounce the curler back and forth like so. And then you'll carefully let go. Okay? Now this has never affected my eyelashes. I've always had great lashes. They've never fallen out when I do this. I don't ever burn them off. It's not a thing. Just make sure that you don't heat your curler up too long when you're doing the heating process. Make sure you test it on your hand before you go to your eye. Just be aware that it is hot and it can burn them off if you're not careful. Alright, so for the mascara part, we got our eyelashes looking extra bouncy. I have one here that is an older tube. It's maybe like a month older than this one. I never keep my mascaras more than about 2 months, just because they can go bad very quickly. When I go to do this, this is the wand that it looks like. Pretty standard wand. So I start off with the older one just to get a good thick line right here. And then I press and I close my eyes and I wiggle upwards. And then when I go to this point, I open and I bring this back down. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'll do it again. Close up and back down. Just like so. And then I kind of brush them all up. And I kind of wiggle the brush again at the base and I bring it up. Just like so. So then you got that real good, even, nice thickness in the... It's kind of trickier to do on the side and still show you guys. So when I do this, when I go to do it like this and I feel like there's not enough right where I had started, I'll kind of rotate it and bring it up at the same time. I've never really explained this to anyone, so it's kind of tricky. Alright, so then for the bottom, I use the older tube. It has less on it and you're less likely to get it down here on your makeup. So when I go to do this, I always open my mouth. And I've tried to make it not a habit of opening your mouth because it's tricky not to do. Try it. When you're doing your mascara the next time, try not to go like that. Try just to do that. It's so tricky. So I just brush them back and forth like so. Just like that. Alright, the last step that I do is I'll then go in with the new tube here. Same brand, same shade, same everything. And I will just come up and down on all of them, starting from the outside corner. So do you see how bold this one is compared to this one? This one has not yet had the newer tube with the more mascara on it, just because there's just something the way you do it after you do the second tube. It's much better. So it's kind of like putting 2 layers on. And again, I don't really wiggle that one in the back because the first layer has started to dry and it'll make a mess. Alright, just like that, guys. And then I'll kind of touch them up on the ends, just like so. Alright guys, so that's pretty much my mascara look for this. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. One more step that I could give you guys for more of a bold mascara look is this kohl liner that I told you guys about, the Rimmel London 061 Jet Black, the pencil kohl liner here. I go on my waterline, and I can do this without looking at this point. Very lightly, you don't have to do it very dark because then you look like you emo. Same on this side. And I don't pull very hard, just the slightest little bit. So that's your look, guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you have any questions or any feedback or any other requests, let me know. I hope you guys enjoy this. Mwah. And enjoy the first few chilly days of fall. Bye, guys.